Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So how do you create a form on Airtable? It's going to be really quick, so bear with me. So first and foremost, what is Airtable? So Airtable is a cloud-based collaboration platform that combines basically simplicity with, in a form of a spreadsheet, basically. So I really did research about this one, and I'm happen to be a user of this specific platform myself. So core features are tables and bases. So tables are similar to sheets in a spreadsheet. Each tables contain row and columns where each row represents a record and each column represents a field or attribute of the record, if that makes sense. A base, how do I explain this? A base is basically a collection of related tables, so it acts like a database where each base can contain multiple tables that are linked together. Okay, and here are some fields as well. So field types. Airtable supports a variety of field types, including single line text, basic text input, long text for more extensive text entries, attachments, upload files, images, or documents. And we also have checkbox for binary options. Well, yes and no. And we also have drop-down menus with provided options, allows multiple options from a drop-down, date field and time fields, so numeric values with basically customizable formatting for financial values, customers calculations using Airtable's formula syntax. Okay, so to link to records basically in another table, enabling relational data structures, aggregate data from link records, link from records to the current table. So standard spreadsheet view visualizes recording as cards that can be grouped by field, useful for project management. Displays basically records on calendar based and date fields. Shows records as large cards, ideal for showcasing images or media, allowing users to use and share forms to collect data from others. This basically share bases with teammates and control access levels. Okay, so that's just basically with the we are talking about the collaboration. Okay, now tracking tasks. Probably the most important thing is track tasks, milestones, and project timeline using Kanban, calendar, and grid views. CRM, customer relationship management, managing customer interactions, sales pipelines, and contract informations. Content planning, plan and organize content calendars for marketing and social media. Event planning, coordinate details for events including scheduling, guest lists, and logistics. Inventory management also keeps track of stock levels, suppliers, and product details. And what else? We have the database management. Basically create custom databases for various needs, for managing research data to tracking personal collections, so on. Now, basically the design thoughtfully, spending time planning your database structure to ensure it meets your needs, Basically, utilize templates, explore Airtables, and basically spend time planning your database. Explore Airtable templates to jumpstart your project, and export your data, you know, periodically to ensure you have a backup. Leverage automations, set up automations to streamline repetitive tasks and enhance productivity. So, connect Airtable with other tools like cohesive workflow. Okay, so it's really important because tables are very similar to sheets in a spreadsheet. So each table contains a row of columns where each row represents a record, and each column represents a field of attribute of the record. So a base is a collection of related tables. So it acts like a database which can basically contain multiple tables that are linked. Okay, so those are just the few things that are here, including tasks and milestones, project timelines, and especially Kanban. If you guys don't know what Kanban is, you guys are missing out, because Kanban really complements this platform that I'm explaining, and basically manage customer interaction, sales pipelines, basically like a sheet. So build your first basically base, start with templates or a new database from scratch, and add tables from there. So fields according to your needs, input records manually or import data from CSV files or other resources, and basically inputs records manually or input databases. So experiment with different views and apply filters to organize and visualize your data set. Share your base with team members and set appropriate permissions. Okay, that's just basically the cover up. Limited features and usage suitable for small teams and personal projects. Includes additional features and higher usage and limits. And paid features have its perks, but yeah, if you're willing to pay for it, that wouldn't hurt. So that's just it. So thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.